Alright guys, welcome back to our universal cut. Today I want to quickly teach us how to shape hair, how to give a hairline. So whenever your customer wants to shape his hair, the first thing you need to do is to what? Brush down the hair very well. You see that whenever you brush the hair down, you see the outgrowth ones. Can you see it? So once you brush the hair down like this, it's shape that I want to shape. Brush it like this. Most of us don't know how to brush hair. This is how you are going to do it. So after you brush the hair down, you know where to start. Like I told us that, okay, my YouTube channel, I told them that I normally start my shape from the vertical line, from this side, before I do the horizontal line. Everybody have the way he or she give his own hairline, right? Me, I start my own from the vertical line, which is here. I'll start from here and give the C cup. Then some people start from where? The horizontal line. So if you start from the vertical line, it's going to help you to get the horizontal line very straight. You can see. Now, once you want to shape the hair, and you see that some places they are not well balanced, the next thing you need to do is to put on your clipper, put it on local level, then you bring the hair down, you blend the tip so that the shape will not go inside, you will not push back the hairline inside. You understand, guys? So make sure after you brush the hair down very well, you can use your clipper on local level to brush it down. You understand, guys? So after you have done this finish, the next thing you need to do is to start, look at the hair texture very well, check it through the mirror, then you start. I told her that I start my own from there, the vertical line. So if you are finding this video helpful, please don't forget to follow, because I do long tutorial on my YouTube. So this is my TikTok account, so I'll be doing the short videos. So once you on your clipper, make sure that the blades are well joined together. Do you understand? Then start from here, the vertical line. I don't know if this camera is going to cover us. I'm going to do it the way that you see it. So this is how you are going to do it. Don't let the hair to go inside. Follow the vertical line. You are seeing what I'm doing, right? Then watch where this C cup start from. Don't push it inside. Follow it accordingly. What way my hand is moving? What way I'm holding the clipper? This is the C cup. Do you get? Don't push back the hair inside. Can you see this, guy? So this is the vertical line. Then you start the horizontal line. Watch what I'm doing. Start from where the whole hair started from. Don't go and push it inside. So guys, can you see it? This is the simplest way to give a clean hairline. Make sure you set the clipper very well so that it will not injure your client or your customer. Can you see it, guys? So follow for more. This is the easiest way to give a hairline. Start from the vertical. This is one that worked for me, guys. Thank you, guys.